Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix Facebook profile picture not showing on Newsfeed. So the first step you need to do is to click on the Facebook and click on app info, and once you are here you can see storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store and you need to search for the Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook application. After doing that, go back and restart your smartphone and open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, here you can see that it is showing in a news feed. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.